Hi guys, my name is Michael. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your side hustle account and how to submit your assignment. Click on login. So you put in your email and your password. If you created your account using Google or Facebook, you can click one of them. So I'm going to click Google. That's Gmail account. Once you log into your dashboard, you see this. It says click here to join our general Telegram channel for updates. Then there's also click here to join your category Telegram channel for classes. So this is for the classes depending what you registered for, maybe a front end or back end or any other um, lesson you're studying. So this is the link for your class. This link is for your class. This link is for the general group. This is your intern ID right here. This is your intern ID. If you're looking for the timetable, come to this profile picture up here. You see the timetable, then you see edit profile, then log out. If you click on timetable, see, if you click on the timetable, you can see the timetable for each subject. So we have front end Monday 12 to 1, then Wednesday 2 to 3, then Saturday 10 to 12. So depending on what you're studying, you can see your timetable here. If you click on the profile, it says edit your profile. You can only edit your profile information twice, just 2 times. So I'm on web design and development front end, so that's it. So let's come to this side here with the 3 lines. Click on it. So if we click dashboard, we're going back to our dashboard. Here we are. So for your tax and quiz, click on it. If you want to view your assignment and your scores, so this is where your assignment is. If you want to submit your assignment, come to action. Underneath action, you see edit tax. Click on it. So from here, you can even still see your assignment written out nicely. And to submit your tax, you come down here. Usually there's a box and a submit button around this area, but because I've already submitted my assignment, so it has been marked, so it is a different layout that is here, but this is where you're meant to submit your assignment. So let's go back. So underneath the assignment is also your quiz. So to take the quiz, you click on taking or take. Right now I've taken it, so it's changed to taken already and it has been marked. But if I've not taken my quiz, I'll come here and click on take or taken. So for your lesson, your notes and things that videos are meant to watch. Come to lesson. Now on the lesson, you can see HTML, mentor admin. Come to action, underneath action, click on view. See? So, so from here you can watch your videos, tutorial videos. Let's go back. You can click the second one too. You see, you can also watch tutorial video, and you can also download it too if you want to download the tutorial. This it right here. So right here, if you want to check your scores on side also, you're wondering what you scored, you either go to your taking tax and you see your score right here, or you come back to the dashboard and copy your side also ID. Copy your side also ID and paste it into the search box, and you can view, and it will automatically show you your score, your site ID, your class, your track. So you can see all your information right here if you copy your ID into the search. Another way is just if you want to view all the websites a front end designer score, it's just by typing what the class, the name of the subject. You see, just add WE and you're already showing the website design front end. So you can view all the scores from here. That's all you need to know about your side hustle dashboard. Thanks for watching, subscribe and like.